Hi all, I'm Jackie. This is Jackie's Court. Today I'm going to be doing tenderloin on sweet potatoes for dinner. I'm cooking for a family of 4, so you get to see how I do that for a family of 4. If you like this video, please give it a like. Leave a comment down below of what you would add or any other foods that you would like me to try, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into it. So in order to make this dish, the ingredients that you will need are, of course, a tenderloin. Let you can see it. Sweet potatoes. You can either do 1 per 2 people or 1 per person. I think I'm going to do 1 per person for this. Okay. Onions for your base for your tenderloin when you put it in the crock pot. You'll need a crock pot for this dish so you can cook your meat in it. And then some seasonings. I just have salt and pepper out right now, but I'm sure I'll pull more out as I go. And some cabbage-like stuff with carrots and purple onions in it for when you are preparing or plating your food. And that's pretty much all the ingredients you'll need. You can add stuff if you like. I also add barbecue to the tenderloin once I put it in the crock pot.
Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me, the life I see.
Alright guys, so now that I have my seasonings on my meat and my onions in there and my meat in the crock pot, you're going to let that cook on high for about 4 to 6 hours. And I would say within the last hour you can come back down and start doing your sweet potatoes, but the sweet potatoes won't take that long depending on if you do it in the microwave or in the oven. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
take a chance, turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I love. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground. You always want what you can't have, and what you have you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you